What is a woman?
An individual born with XX chromosomes, or an individual who culturally, spiritually, or physically identifies and resonates with the female suffrage movement. I know you're confused, I know it's just hard to understand, but you're welcome for answering your question, Charlie Kurt. Charlie Kurt needs to stop fucking debating people who don't have any type of training. I have had training in speech and debate. I can assure you none of those girls have. They have not been trained on critical thinking. And I have done research on the societal impact of the suffrage movement, and I doubt any of those women have. Alright, you're welcome again for teaching you what a woman is. I know like half of you guys were confused on whether or not you're gay. Yeah, you are.